Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to tell you guys how I turned these gourds into decorative picks. What you are going to need is a glue gun, wire cutters, a ruler, gourds. These are from Walmart, but you can get similar gourds like these from Hobby Lobby, Michael's, anywhere that sells this type of decorative fillers. You don't have to use this particular one. You can use any other type of fillers or something that is made of like a hard foam, but I would advise not to use styrofoam because the glue gun will melt down the styrofoam. You will also need floral stem wire and a safety pin or something similar to the size of the floral stem. The first thing you want to do is to determine where you want your wire to come out from. I chose the bottom for these. I did not show this, but you are going to want to pre-cut your floral stem wire for however many gourds you have. I did 3 inches. Now this can get a little dangerous. I do not advise you guys to do it the way that I did it. You would probably want to use some gloves or make sure that the gourds are secure so you don't stab yourself. Now if you want to take a walk on the wild side, what I did with the safety pin is I pushed it into the bottom of the gourd, and I went in about 1/4 to 1/2 inch because this is solid foam. You have to be careful how far you go because some decorations can be hollow towards the center. Now what we're going to do is use the glue gun to fill the hole, and then we are going to insert the floral stem wire. This should be your end result. Now I know you may be anxious to use these, but I advise at day to let these settle. I hope this video was very helpful in your decorating.